It's a simple, quick and easy dessert today. It is yogurt and ube halea. Please join me for this quick inspiration. You're watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow, cook and share. Yes, quick, inexpensive and yet healthy dessert. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Above all, it's no cook. We can do it in just 5 minutes. I'll show you what we need. Yogurt, of course, and any jam of your choice. Halea. I'll be using ube or ube halea. To give it a wow effect, I'll be using a fancy glass. For the other versions, I'll be using a simpler but practical glass. Yogurt is sticky and we can simply scoop the yogurt onto the glass, but it sticks onto the spoon and it's difficult to form it here to level it. So I'll be using, or I think we can do that. Let's try it first. This is what I meant with it being sticky. Look, I have to shake it off. Leveling it off is not necessary. That depends on how you want to present it, of course. It's easier than I thought. Thanks to the consistency of the yogurt, it's a bit wettier than usual. By the way, I recommend using Greek yogurt or yogurt which is around 10 to 20% fat. Now, we have the fat. We'll add now the sweet, the halea or the jam. I recommend 1:3. 3 parts yogurt and 1 part jam. If you notice, it's similar to the ratio for salad. Fat and acid just go together perfectly. Similar in salads. And the proven proportion is 2 parts or 3 parts fat, 1 part acid. And now with the jam, it is sugar even. So the more delicious it is. This is a very simple dessert. That's why we have to spend some effort for the wow effect on the presentation. Guests will know it's easy and inexpensive, so spend effort on the presentation. That's why we can do that. We can simply top it with the ube halea, but it's better to add it with some decor or with some form. Let's use a piping bag. It has hardened in the fridge. Let's mix it. I want it to be softer. And onto the piping bag. We'll use a glass to hold it for convenience. And test if it works. Yes, it works. It works. Now, Does this resemble a rose? Somewhat. Somewhat. It cannot be better than this. Look. Let's make the version 2. I'm gonna use Marie or tea biscuits to provide a bottom. Or a base. Bottom doesn't sound good. We can grind it finer to be more presentable, but we're rushing. I have to finish this within 8 minutes. Let's add the yogurt now. This is more challenging. The shape of the glass is more challenging. That's why I wanted to use a piping bag for more convenience. I don't want to hit the side of the glass. It will be unsightly. Doing this doesn't seem to help flatten the yogurt. Oh, the drop on the rim is not sightly. We could have avoided that if we use a piping bag. Trying it better on the second. Oh, again. Drops again. Okay, we can live with this. We can live with this. Now, with the jam. With the jam. Set that aside. And let's just work on one glass. See the convenience of using a piping bag. Easy to maneuver. I'm afraid the presentation is taking much effort. We can do better than this next time. And you two can even do it much better. I simply want to present the concept. It didn't turn out to be what I expected, really. The intention was to create clear lines. Clear lines. It didn't happen. But we exerted effort. I think this is bad to serve. Look, 2 ways of doing it. The simple with a fancy glass, and this. If we can do this more carefully, I think this can be more presentable. But I'm sure this is delicious. Really irresistible. Yogurt and ube Jalea. Really delicious.